For me, I found, artists as a social scientist. So we are addressing so many issues. Some are very much in front of you, some are not visible. So most of my works are public space, and I am addressing the issues. So I am more interested into a kind of giving information to the public, showing or how to solve some problems. So the art is a powerful media. So if you talk about my very early practice, early education, actually I want to join Fine Arts College. We have 3 colleges, one is Thrissur and Mavelikara and then Trivandrum. Then somehow I didn't try that, but I got admission for a new institute, like it is specialized for murals. That is for a 5 years course for traditional mural painting, of especially specialized in Kerala murals. So Kerala murals is very strong. We have more than 1000 temples. Still we can see around 300 temples still existing, I mean the murals. This government of Kerala started a new course for mural paintings. This really started from the temple, Guruvayur Devaswam. They started. Most of the Indian universities, we are following the Western syllabus still. But this syllabus was very interesting and very different. They are introducing that those period, the techniques and how they did the paintings. Then later I came to know this Shantiniketan have this traditional oriented modern art practice. So it is naturally I got it connection to that. My beginning was very interesting. I mean, when we were the art students, they have to do many drawings and sketches in the beginning. So most of the students will go for doing drawings, but my interest was whatever the object I do, it should move. So finally I found that Kathakali dance in Kerala. You can see at that time, those period, Kathakali will start around 7 o'clock and it will go to the next day 7 o'clock. So it's a kind of continuous program. So I started doing drawings in the night, full night. I did, I think, around 6 months to 1 year. So my experimentation was, it is possible to transform the sound and music into drawings. So it's a kind of neurological, experimentation. The sound and the music, can you bring to the painting or drawing? So that was my experimentation. That is 2008 onwards I started. I think more than 300 to 400 sketchbook So that practice still going on because it's giving some kind of positive chemicals in the body. It gives happiness. In India we have Natya Shastra, the science of performance art. So there is 108 Karanas. The latest work also similar to that, this 108 Karanas and 1000 gestures. You can see a kind of self-portrait, sometime dancing, sometime doing some kind of action. Then similarities, other similarities, we have yogic practice, different kind of yogic practice. This yogic practice, this is not just a practice actually, this all close observation of the nature and its animals and the elements. Like Simhasana, this is an posture on lion. So like that Malsyasana, posture based on the fish. So similarly, there are so many images they developed in the yoga. Then I found another idea is 1000 Buddhas. So again there is no much difference, all is one Buddha, but the actions and this mudras, that is different. These 4 or 5 ideas it's come to me, and at the same time day-to-day life experience. Most of my works are decorative, because I believe people should see, and not only to work of art to represent, it should have a kind of aesthetic experience in the work. So that is all about Indian art, because it will take you to a great peace, I mean great ananda, great happiness. That is all about Indian art. So most of my works also that kind of happiness, and the latest work, Wall of Peace. Because you see, when you open this, television or the newspapers, you will see it full of problems. So I thought to do some of the work on peace idea, based on peace. Around 30 years ago, I got a book. This is a biographical work, Brahmadattan Namboodiripad. This is one of the freedom fighter. When the Britishers came to Kerala, they misunderstood Brahmadattan Namboodiripad, and they given a kind of complaint. He want to destroy a bridge which is made by Britishers. So that is not the reality actually. So they want to take him to the prison. They put like this and dragged into 25 kilometer. That is called the Charpulasheri, the place, that is his house, and to the Shornur, there is a big railway station. I want to make a big mural. So I was looking in that space. So finally I found a very good school called Charpulasheri Government High Schools, and the road name nearby, there is a road that is the local government they given Brahmadattan Namboodiripad Road in his name. That's I found very quite interesting because that's the right place to do the project. I started doing drawings and studies about getting 2-3 books in Malayalam, English translations, and I made an idea, but some people they didn't like the idea. So finally, part of this is a huge space. No, this maximum we can make it half of the story, half of the wall, his story. Then I had to fill some other things. Then the idea came, Wall of Peace. So all political people and all local people are happy with that. Most of the new generations, they didn't know about this great personality, but due to this project, people knows, oh, this was a great person was here in our life, means in our this area. So it's a kind of local, global kind of representation in public art. And again, this is assisted by my students. Most of my works are, I'm not telling this is my work, actually this is as a teaching in the university, this is part of my teaching. I am giving the kind of teaching to the students, not officially. Most of my works are, people, I will ask to the people what kind of works you needed, and then I will discuss to them, and they told me, yeah, this is a ladies club, so you have to work on based on ladies. So that work start with how the mothers and wife, they start their day-to-day life experience. They give salutation to the son, then they start attending their family members, cooking, and then planting, giving water to the plant, different plants, and finally she relax and searching Google, whatever she needs some information to share the society or their children. So this is a story of a lady, Indian lady, how they start the life in the morning to the end. So it's a kind of, I don't want to say illustration, it's a kind of reaction to, or a kind of representation to the Indian woman. As you know, my technique is very simple, at the same time very fast, because this is a wet process, wet cement. On the wall you have to apply the cement in at least 1 inch thickness, and before drying, that means it will take at least 2 to 3 hours, maximum 4 hours you have to finish the work. So sometimes what happens, you have to make an idea before doing the work, but when you go to the wall, the idea may change, because you have a kind of little tensions, because the cement may dry. So it's a kind of very fast process, and so people thought how magical it is. 2007, I joined in BHU. So 2007 and 2008, this period I started many works in Benares. So this is one of the school, Little Flower House schools. So the idea was on the nature, and especially the 5 elements. In the middle you can see the sun, then different water, earth, fire and air and space. So that was the very minimal kind of representations, and also a kind of mandala I came automatically in it. And this is a school actually, so they want, the children should enjoy the work and to connect with the nature. So the idea represented the 5 elements. Actually 2008 I did this Lane 11 gallery, and somehow people liked it very much and they started sharing that imageries, and many people started asking me to do murals. In the beginning I also request some good space. So this is one of the space, Haifa hotels. They always telling please do, then it's become like a 2 years. Finally I started doing the work. One female kind of a figure standing like this, at the same time this is symbolically a tree forms. So from the tree form there are so much another imagery is coming. It's like a life representing. It's like a metallic effect. We finish with golden color. Actually this is a different hotels. This hotel Ganges View, you can see a kind of small museum, like each rooms decorated with miniature painting and the traditional work and different kind of objects. So you feel a kind of heritage feelings. You will feel that exactly you are in a old traditional Banarasi house. And here in Banaras, this is my first traditional mural painting I introduced to the Hotel Ganges View. This work is took around 30 days, and typical traditional method I did, and all the colors you can see in Kerala traditional mural paintings. The subject, the Ganga is very known here. So Ganga, Yamuna, Kaveri, we have 3 great rivers in India. So Shashankji, the hotel owner, he wanted Yamuna as represent as a Ganga. So this is a representation of Yamuna. It is a kind of Devi kind of images from Kerala traditional mural painting sitting on the lotus, and the energy is going like floral design. The today's galleries there is some kind of limitations, because you have to display for a certain period, like 4 days to 1 week to 1 month. Then you have to remove the work of art. It will go to different places, maybe a rich man's house or a public institutions. But for mural it is a kind of, it's a permanent kind of a display in a public space. So people cannot remove that, and it is access to all the peoples, not only peoples, even each beings. I think work of art is a very powerful tools in the society, and especially the public space and public art, especially murals, are so powerful. As I studied in the murals, so I thought to express my ideas in a public space of Benares. Not only Benares, you can see almost all the states I did murals.